and yup, this time it is the Hot Wheels series. It's got 4 out of 10 in HW Exotics. It is a very famous car in the Forza Horizon 4 gameplay. It's the best track-focused car. It's the McLaren Senna, guys. One of the most best McLarens, which has just rolled out of the McLaren factory. It's so damn cool. And yup, its predecessor, the McLaren Senna 20S, is quite less compared to this one. This is such a track-focused car. It is so damn cool. Just look at its hood. Just look at its spoiler. It's an undescribable car, guys. The design is flawless. It's amazing. And yeah, before we get into this car right here, just one more thing, guys. There are only 500 units of this hand built from the McLaren factory, and all of them are sold. Oh my god, that's such a bad news. So yeah, before we get into this car's unboxing, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, the last week's video was the 88 Honda CRX, guys. That's an interesting car. It was a cool one, but in front of us now is a next level car. It's an amazing one, so can't wait to unbox, as we don't have the quiz this week. I mean, this whole month. My apologies, guys. So let's go for the unboxing! Okay guys, so here the McLaren Senna is out of the box, and I don't know where to begin with. Let's just talk about the disappointment things. Like, for example, it misses the headlamp detailing, and there are no side view mirrors. The side vents of the car are not blacked out, and the most favorite thing, the exhaust is not there. I mean, it misses the exhaust detailing too. That's quite a disappointing thing on this car, like on such a cool car. Well, moving on the bright side, this car has the similar wheels of the McLaren Senna. Like, I know it is Hot Wheels, but it actually matches the original Senna's rims. And yup, it also has the McLaren logo at the front, and at the rear you have the tail lamps detailed with the Senna logo with the McLaren logo. And yup, the door sides, guys, the door sides is quite realistic. It is amazingly done by Hot Wheel. The interior is not seen, like it's blacked out on the inside, and the tints are also black, so I couldn't absorb much. But still, this car is literally amazing, guys. It is so damn cool. So yup, there ends the detailing part, guys. So you guys have taken a round look. Let's move on for the information, guys. So it's time to know something about this cool McLaren Senna. It's the information, guys. So we have a lot to discuss. So let's start off with the production. The production actually began in 2018, and it's still continued at the present, and it's also ended. Well, time about the body style. The body style is actually a 2-door coupe. Well, moving on to the engine, guys. The engine is actually a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8, which is also called as the M840TR. Well, that's the engine name. Well, going to the transmission, guys. The transmission is a commonly known 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Well, talking about the horsepower, this car packs up to 789 horsepower. That's close to 800, most people say, but it's 789, approx to 800. Well, talking about the length, guys. The length of this car is 4,744 millimeters. Talking about the width of this car is actually 2,153 millimeters. Time about the weight. The current weight of this car is 1,374 kilograms. That's no comments on that, guys. Well, time about the 0 to 60 time. This car is factory claimed 2.8 seconds, guys. The factory has claimed that this car does the 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Well, that's a good number. Well, time about the top speed, the best part. The top speed of this car is actually 211 miles per hour. That's 340 kilometers per hour. Once again, no comments on that, guys. Well, time about the price, the last thing of the information. The price, this car will cost you 750,000 pounds, which is 1 million USD. That's US dollars. Well, yup, it is a large price to pay for such a track-based car, but still, the McLaren Senna is so damn cool. Well, as I've ended up the information, it's time for special facts, so let's see what's it's got over here. Okay, it's not a big one, though. So here it tells that the car is named after the Brazilian Formula 1 driver McLaren Senna, giving a tribute to his success with McLaren. So yup, it is named after a Formula 1 driver. Just expected that. So yup, there's a special fact, guys. And yup, oh, the rating. I give it a 9.5 out of 10 as it misses few of the detailing being such a cool car. So I give it a 9.5, guys. You guys can comment your ratings down below as I've ended up the video. So yeah, it's the end of the video, guys. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you do have a McLaren, just share your feeling about it, like whether you like that car or not. So yeah, guys, I'll see you all next week with another cool car. So this time was the best car ever. Like, it is a very rare car. So yep, guys, I'll see you all next week. Ciao, bye bye.